This is the best Canva hack for beginners, hands down.
So if you're trying to make any kind of like brochure, like yesterday I was trying to make a brochure and half of this side of the page and half this side of the page, I wanted to like perfectly line up, but there's not really a way to do that unless you have this on your screen. So watch. So I'm going to go to elements. I'm going to take a square and I'm going to just put it onto the page. From here, I'm just going to drag it until it hits that purple line in the halfway point. So there it was, right there. And then I'm just gonna bring it down. Let's get back to that purple line. Kind of hard to tell. I think it's right there. Okay. So from here, you're gonna go to color and you are going to hit this. It's like the checkers with the line through it. It's transparency. And then the next thing you are going to do is click on it again and we are going to duplicate it and drag it to the other side. So all you're doing right now is making it so there's like basically two panels. And again, I was doing this for a brochure, so I needed like both sides to be totally centered because whenever I create my brochure, it's gonna fold up and obviously I want them centered. So let me just bring a graphic over here and show you. So like before, you wouldn't really get these like centered lines. If you didn't have that up, it would just kind of show you these square ones. You'd have to kind of figure out where it goes to center from there. But since you have the two squares up, you can put it centered on both sides. Now, when you have it go to the printer and it folds, both of these are going to be centered. And all I did was put the shape in the background and made it transparent. Normally what I do when I am working on top of these is I do like to highlight both of them and I like to lock them. That way, whenever I'm dragging different elements around the screen, I'm not going to like accidentally drag my background. I'm just gonna drag this because you don't want to move the background. You want it to stay there. Also, I wonder who's going to be the 15th billion design. And I wonder what they're gonna get. Like, I wonder if Canva's going to give them anything like a year or a lifetime supply of Canva. Supply of Canva.